Welcome to John's Studio Travel Vlog. Embark on a captivating journey through Hyderabad's cultural heritage with part 5 of our city tour series, as we explore the magnificent Salar Jung Museum. Delve into the rich tapestry of art and antiquities housed within the museum's walls, and witness the beauty of centuries past come to life. Don't miss the chance to visit Salar Jung Museum on your next trip to Hyderabad. Location details are provided in the description box below. Like, share, and subscribe to John's Studio Travel Vlog for more immersive adventures. And stay tuned for part 6 of our series, coming soon. Step into a world of wonder and discovery as we embark on a virtual journey through the halls of the Salar Jung Museum in Hyderabad. Nestled amidst the vibrant streets of this historic city, the Salar Jung Museum stands as a beacon of culture and heritage, offering visitors a glimpse into the rich tapestry of India's past. Founded in 1951, the Salar Jung Museum is named after Mir Yusuf Ali Khan, popularly known as Salar Jung III. A visionary collector and statesman whose passion for art and antiquities led to the creation of this esteemed institution. With over 40,000 objects spanning diverse civilizations and epochs, the museum boasts one of the world's most extensive collections of art, artifacts, and cultural relics. As we wander through the museum's galleries, we are transported across continents and centuries, encountering a dazzling array of treasures from India, Asia, Europe, and beyond. From ancient sculptures and rare manuscripts to exquisite paintings and decorative arts, each exhibit tells a unique story, offering insights into the social, political, and artistic currents that have shaped our world. Highlights of our virtual tour include the famed Veiled Rebecca, a stunning marble sculpture by Italian artist Giovanni Maria Benzoni, the mesmerizing Jade Room, home to precious jade carvings from China, and the European galleries, adorned with masterpieces by renowned painters such as Rembrandt, Raphael, and Murillo. But the Salar Jung Museum is more than just a repository of art and antiquities. It is a living testament to India's rich cultural heritage and artistic legacy. Through its educational programs, research initiatives, and outreach efforts, the museum strives to promote appreciation for the arts and foster a deeper understanding of our shared history among visitors of all ages and backgrounds. Join us on this virtual adventure as we unravel the mysteries of the past and immerse ourselves in the beauty and grandeur of the Salar Jung Museum. Whether you're a seasoned art enthusiast or a curious traveler seeking inspiration, the museum promises a journey of discovery and enlightenment that will leave a lasting impression on your soul. Don't miss the opportunity to experience the magic of Salar Jung Museum on your next visit to Hyderabad. Location details of Salar Jung Museum are provided in the description box below. Watch till the end, like, share, and subscribe to our channel, John's Studio Travel Vlog, for more captivating adventures. Your support encourages us to continue exploring and sharing the wonders of our world. And stay tuned for part 6 of our series, coming soon.